Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing a blender. So it comes in a box that looks like this. My mailman trashed the box because it was wrapped in this, which it has nothing to do with the seller. It just depends on whoever's distributing them at the Amazon factories. They did not package this well at all. Let's go ahead and see. So it does have a lid because you can drink shakes with it. And then this is the blender itself. So this is what it looks like. It is broken in a few pieces at the bottom, just from the way that it was shipped. Was not that great. It comes with a user manual right here. So this is what it looks like. It has the power button right here. Okay, so now I'm going to make me a shake. So you just open it like this. I'm gonna unscrew this. I'm gonna put some berries. I'm just gonna make a berry shake. So just something like that. Let me rinse off my hands. Okay, and then you just want to screw this on. Oops, it goes this way. Screw this on this way. Just like that. And you're going to push this in, push down, go to your right, and then you're going to turn it on. Let me go ahead and add some water to it real quick, just so that it can blend it a little better. Okay, I did add a little bit of water just so that it can blend. Normally I would add some like coconut milk or something like that, but I don't have any right now. So water will do, and then just turn it on. You can see it's gonna blend it a lot better. Turn it off, unlatch it, and unscrew it from here, just like that. And then you just rinse this off really well. I also wanted to show you, when cleaning this out, you can actually take this off. Like, it normally goes like this, but you can actually take all this off and then take the plastics and stuff off and clean it out really good, just like that. And you just push this, make sure that it has a seal on it, and you just screw this on, just like that, and then you have a drink. Scarlett, you want to come try it out? It's good, right there. And there you go, you got yourself a little berry shake. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.